Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this super cute chicken hat on Dress to Impress. So what you need is the cowboy hat in yellow. I'm just going to make it a little bit more yellow like this, and I'm just going to save this color. Then I am going to use this and I'm going to color it in orange color. I'm going to use this one. Should I use a darker orange? Yeah, I'm going to use this one actually so you can see it a little bit better. Then I'm going to add this one. Going to use the second toggle and I'm going to color it the same orange as well. Then I'm going to use this one, no ears. Wait. I'm using this one, sorry, not that one. And I'm going to color it the same yellow as well. Then once you have that, we're going to get the eyes. Select the bear like headband. Where is it? Here it is. I'm just going to color it white and black. I'm just going to make it lower. And that is it. That's how you can create the super cute duck hat on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Sorry, chicken hat. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.